What if the key to a healthier prostate wasn't in a pill or a doctor's office, but in something you've been doing your whole life? For older men, daily masturbation might be more than just a private pleasure. It could be a game changer for prostate health. Studies show that regular ejaculation can reduce the risk of prostate issues like BPH, prostatitis, and even cancer. But here's the twist. Some men report strange, unexpected changes in their prostate functionality after making this a daily habit. Is it too good to be true? Could something so simple really help older men feel more energetic, confident, and in control of their bodies? And what about the myths that masturbation is harmful, shameful, or only for the young? It's time to separate fact from fiction and explore the surprising science behind this everyday practice. Ready to uncover the truth? Let's dive in. The prostate might be small, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to male health. Nestled just below the bladder, this walnut-sized gland plays a crucial role in urinary control, sexual function, and even hormone regulation. For older men, keeping an eye on their prostate isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. After all, a healthy prostate means smoother bathroom trips, stronger erections, and a balanced hormonal system. It's like the unsung hero of the male body, quietly working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. Now let's talk about urine flow. Ever notice how some older men struggle with frequent trips to the bathroom or a weak stream? That's often the prostate's doing. When it's functioning well, it helps control the flow of urine, but when it's not, things can get messy. And then there's sexual health. Without a healthy prostate, ejaculation can become painful or less satisfying. It's not just about pleasure. It's about maintaining a sense of vitality and confidence as the years go by. But the prostate doesn't stop there. It's also involved in producing seminal fluid, which nourishes and transports sperm. Think of it as the body's own delivery system, ensuring everything gets where it needs to go. And let's not forget hormones. The prostate helps regulate testosterone levels, which are key to energy, muscle mass, and even mood. So, when the prostate is out of whack, it's not just one thing that suffers, it's a domino effect. Here's the kicker. Many men don't realize how much their prostate impacts their daily lives until something goes wrong. Take John, for example, a 65-year-old retiree who noticed he was waking up 3 times a night to pee. At first, he brushed it off as part of aging, but when his doctor explained it was his prostate, everything clicked. The good news: with a little attention and care, the prostate can stay healthy and functional for years to come. And that's where the next topic comes in. Why keeping the prostate active is the secret to aging gracefully. As men age, the prostate often becomes a silent troublemaker, quietly causing issues that can disrupt daily life. But here's the thing. A healthy prostate isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about thriving. When the prostate is active and functioning well, it supports everything from a strong urinary system to a satisfying sex life. For older men, this isn't just a luxury. It's a cornerstone of overall well-being. Think of it like maintaining a car. Regular upkeep keeps it running smoothly, while neglect leads to breakdowns. Take urinary health, for instance. A healthy prostate ensures that the bladder empties fully, reducing the risk of infections and those annoying midnight bathroom trips. And let's not forget sexual health. When the prostate is in good shape, it contributes to stronger erections and more enjoyable intimacy. It's not just about physical function. It's about maintaining confidence and connection, which are vital at any age. After all, who doesn't want to feel vibrant and capable, no matter how many candles are on the birthday cake? But the benefits don't stop there. A well-functioning prostate also plays a role in hormonal balance, which affects energy levels, mood, and even muscle mass. When the prostate is healthy, it helps regulate testosterone, keeping men feeling strong and sharp. On the flip side, a sluggish prostate can lead to fatigue, irritability, and a general sense of decline. It's like the difference between driving a well-tuned engine and one that's sputtering along. It affects everything. So, what's the secret to keeping the prostate active? It's not rocket science, but it does require a bit of effort. Regular activity, whether through exercise or other means, can make a world of difference. And speaking of activity, There's one practice that's often overlooked but incredibly effective: daily masturbation. Yes, you heard that right. But we'll get into that in the next topic, where we'll explore how this simple habit can work wonders for prostate health. Let's get straight to the point. Daily masturbation isn't just a guilty pleasure, it's a prostate superpower. For older men, regular ejaculation can be a game changer when it comes to keeping the prostate active and healthy. Think of it as a workout for the gland, helping it stay in tip-top shape. When the prostate is regularly stimulated, it prevents stagnation, which can lead to swelling or discomfort. It's like oiling a squeaky hinge. Everything just works better. Here's how it works. Ejaculation helps flush out toxins and old fluids from the prostate, reducing the risk of inflammation and blockages. This process keeps the gland from becoming sluggish, which is especially important as men age. And let's be honest, it's not exactly a chore, is it? It's a natural, enjoyable way to support your health. Plus, the benefits go beyond the prostate. Regular ejaculation can improve mood, reduce stress, and even boost sleep quality. Talk about a win-win. But don't just take our word for it. Consider the story of Mike, a 70-year-old who started incorporating daily masturbation into his routine after reading about its benefits. Within weeks, he noticed fewer trips to the bathroom at night and a stronger urine stream. His doctor even commented on how healthy his prostate looked during his annual checkup. Mike's not alone. Many men have experienced similar improvements by making this simple change. Of course, moderation is key. Overdoing it can lead to fatigue or soreness, so it's important to listen to your body. But for most men, daily masturbation is a safe and effective way to keep the prostate in check. And the best part, it's free, private, and doesn't require any special equipment. So why not give it a try? Your prostate will thank you. Did you know that by liking the video and subscribing to the channel, YouTube starts recommending more content related to the same video? That's right, do it and stay up to date with your sexual health. Now let's continue. Prostate dysfunction is one of those things many men dread as they get older, but here's the good news. Frequent ejaculation can be a powerful preventive measure. Conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, prostatitis, and even sexual dysfunction are less likely to occur when the prostate is regularly active. It's like keeping a machine well-oiled. When everything's moving as it should, there's less chance of a breakdown. For older men, this can mean fewer doctor visits and more time enjoying life. Take BPH, for example. This condition, which causes the prostate to enlarge and squeeze the urethra, is incredibly common in older men. But studies have shown that men who ejaculate frequently are less likely to develop BPH. Why? Because regular ejaculation helps reduce fluid buildup and keeps the prostate from becoming congested. It's a simple, natural way to lower the risk of a condition that can otherwise be a real nuisance. Then there's prostatitis, an inflammation of the prostate that can cause pain, urinary issues, and even flu-like symptoms. Frequent ejaculation helps flush out bacteria and toxins that can lead to inflammation, keeping the gland healthier overall. And let's not forget sexual dysfunction. Keeping the prostate active can improve blood flow and nerve function, making it easier to maintain erections and enjoy intimacy. It's like hitting multiple birds with one stone. But how much is frequent? For most men, aiming for 3 to 5 times a week is a good target, though daily ejaculation can be even more beneficial. The key is consistency. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's not something you do once in a while. It's a regular habit that pays off in the long run. And the best part, it's a habit that feels good too. Of course, frequent ejaculation isn't a magic bullet. It's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to prostate health. But when combined with other healthy habits, it can make a world of difference. And speaking of other habits, let's dive into the next topic, where we'll explore how masturbation stimulates prostate health and prevents atrophy. Let's talk about something that doesn't get enough attention: prostate atrophy. This is when the prostate shrinks and becomes less functional, often due to inactivity. For older men, this can lead to a host of problems, from urinary issues to a decline in sexual health. But here's the kicker: regular masturbation can help prevent this. It's like giving your prostate a daily workout, keeping it strong, active, and ready for action. When you masturbate, the prostate contracts and releases, which helps maintain its muscle tone and blood flow. This is crucial because, just like any other muscle, the prostate can weaken if it's not used regularly. Think of it as a rubber band. If you leave it untouched for too long, it becomes brittle and loses its elasticity. But with regular use, it stays flexible and functional. The same principle applies to the prostate. But that's not all. Masturbation also helps prevent fluid buildup in the prostate, which can lead to swelling and discomfort. By regularly emptying the gland, you reduce the risk of congestion and inflammation. This is especially important for older men, whose prostates are more prone to these issues. It's like cleaning out a clogged pipe. Everything flows better when there's no blockage. And let's not forget the psychological benefits. Masturbation releases endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. For older men, this can be a game changer, helping them feel more relaxed and confident. Plus, it's a great way to stay connected to your body and maintain a sense of vitality. It's not just about physical health. It's about overall well-being. So what's the takeaway? Masturbation isn't just a pleasurable activity. It's a vital part of maintaining prostate health. By keeping the gland active and engaged, you can prevent atrophy and enjoy a higher quality of life. And if you're wondering what else you can do to support your prostate, stay tuned for the next topic, where we'll explore lifestyle practices that optimize prostate function beyond masturbation. While masturbation is a fantastic way to keep the prostate healthy, it's not the only tool in the toolbox. There are plenty of lifestyle practices that can further support prostate function, especially for older men. Think of it as building a strong foundation. When you combine these habits with regular ejaculation, you're setting yourself up for long-term prostate health. And the best part, these practices are simple, practical, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. First up, exercise. Regular physical activity, especially aerobic exercises like walking, swimming, or cycling, can improve blood flow to the prostate and reduce inflammation. Even just 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Strength training is also beneficial, as it helps maintain muscle mass and supports hormonal balance. Think of it as giving your prostate a double dose of support. Better circulation and stronger muscles mean a healthier gland. Next, let's talk about diet. What you eat plays a huge role in prostate health. Foods rich in antioxidants like tomatoes, lycopene, berries, and leafy greens can help reduce inflammation and protect the prostate. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and walnuts, are also great for reducing swelling. On the flip side, cutting back on processed foods, red meat, and excessive alcohol can lower the risk of prostate issues. It's not about perfection. It's about making smarter choices most of the time. Hydration is another key factor. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps the urinary system running smoothly. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And consider adding herbal teas like green tea or saw palmetto, which are known for their prostate-supporting properties. And don't forget about stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormones and, by extension, your prostate. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or even just spending time in nature can make a world of difference. Finally, don't underestimate the power of regular checkups. Seeing your doctor for annual prostate exams can catch potential issues early, when they're easier to manage. It's like giving your prostate a safety net. You're not just waiting for problems to arise. You're staying ahead of the game. And speaking of staying ahead, let's tackle the next topic, where we'll debunk some common myths about masturbation and prostate health. When it comes to masturbation and prostate health, there's no shortage of myths floating around. Some say it's harmful, while others claim it's a cure-all. So what's the truth? Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. First off, the idea that masturbation weakens the body or depletes energy is simply not true. In fact, regular ejaculation can actually boost energy levels by improving circulation and reducing stress. It's not draining, it's revitalizing. Another common myth is that masturbation increases the risk of prostate cancer. This one has been debunked by multiple studies, which actually suggest the opposite. Research shows that men who ejaculate frequently, whether through masturbation or sex, have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. It's not a guarantee, of course, but it's a compelling reason to keep things active. Think of it as a natural form of prevention. Then there's the belief that masturbation is only for the young. Nothing could be further from the truth. For older men, masturbation can be a vital part of maintaining prostate health and sexual function. It's not about age. It's about keeping the body in balance. And let's be honest, there's no expiration date on pleasure. It's a lifelong practice that can benefit men at any stage of life. Finally, some people think masturbation is a sign of poor sexual health or a lack of a partner. This couldn't be more wrong. Masturbation is a normal, healthy activity that can complement a fulfilling sex life or stand on its own. It's not about replacing intimacy. It's about taking care of your body and enjoying the benefits that come with it. So let's put these myths to rest and focus on the facts. So what's the takeaway from all this? Your prostate health is in your hands, literally. By incorporating daily masturbation into your routine, you're not just enjoying yourself. You're actively supporting your prostate, reducing the risk of common issues, and maintaining your vitality as you age. But remember, it's not just about masturbation. Pair it with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration to create a powerhouse routine for your prostate. Now, here's a question for you. What's one small change you can make today to support your prostate health? Could it be adding more water to your day, taking a brisk walk, or simply setting aside time for self-care? The choice is yours, but the benefits are undeniable. Why wait to feel your best when the tools are already within your reach? If you found this information helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who might benefit. And if you want to stay up to date with more tips and insights on men's health, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your prostate will thank you, and so will we. Also, don't miss the video that's appearing on your screen right now. It's packed with even more valuable information. Click on it and keep learning. Your health is worth it.